Things to ensure while finding a budget carpet cleaning company. Are you looking for a carpet cleaning company in Melbourne? Well, in that case, you must be looking for an affordable one, and rightly so. But you need to do it carefully. You must ensure that the Melbourne budget carpet cleaning company never compromises with quality. How? It must have the best cleaners. It must use the best tools and techniques. It must use the best eco-friendly cleaning products. It must be fully insured. Taking into view all these points, Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is indeed the best carpet cleaning service provider in Melbourne at an affordable price. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaner in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.